we gave the kids some axes, and we gave them just blunt force sort of stuff to work with, and they have annihilated. They've annihilated the interior of our old kitchen. So we'll do this. Look at this, all the stuff. There's some stuff there.
You see me?
And there's... Wow, it's like the Great Escape.
Watch out, I'm breaking through the one beside it.
Is that what it is, the Great Escape? Well, I'm going to get out of here, because that's...
Go to the other side.
All right, come on, let's go to the other side. I'm doing a video of our demolition. You have anything to say, Demo? I like cheese. Son likes cheese. All right, what do you got?
I'm making it.
You guys have to put all this back together when we're done, huh?
What? No. That's your job, man.